there are some songs that the moment you hear them, I'm not stopping with you, they take you right down memory lane. Some of us go further down memory lane than others because we are from
Memory lane.
further back.
We are from memory lane.
We're going old school this morning, which is good for some people. So, producer, you're going to play the track, and then we're going to tell you, is it who it is, or just what we remember or what we love about the track? Or all of those things?
Or how we feel about it.
All right.
Some rubbish
So
like that.
then run them then. And where's Cousin? Cousin's not here, right?
That's too
he would have
simple for
chimed in
them, man.
already.
That's too easy for Cousin.
Oh.
Him like go deep.
Yes.
Lucky you. There you go. Nice love song and nice message and nice everything about that song. Who is Nanko?
The artist who sings
I know, but I don't know Nanko. You know Nanko?
Yes.
What him look like?
I don't know.
Oh, so you know him.
I don't remember. Are you asking if I know of him or do I know him
You know
personally?
him.
I don't know him personally,
Okay.
but I know of him.
Nanko is a man though, right? Is Nanko was singing, not it? All right.
Yo, so, far, far away.
Hear you.
Land. Pencil gone. Get the bass drop in now. Hey!
I can say it, sorry for Jamaica. And Princess gone and she gone fire too.
And she left him a note.
Yeah, so I'm sorry for Jamaica.
He's in pain. He's in real pain. So we have Nanko, who's been vulnerable because he has no woman to go home to. And then we have Jamaican, who's vulnerable because his princess has left.
One of the producer tell me something this man.
I don't know, it sounds Seamish.
Don't it?
Now, Usha style.
So my
It's one
princess
for-
gone.
I know it's Usha style.
Soft man.
Persistence is to try through this precious time. You can't give up the fight. Jah is the way to life.
True Norris man.
You down and in this race.
But I know this song, but I never know his Norris man in here. I wish you hear this guy, Clive and Sheffield, sing every single one so far. How old are you, Clive? What you say, You
He's
never-
not sure. This tune have to be at least a dozen years old.
2000. Clive, I say, how old are you? Clive say,
Early 90s? No.
She said 2000.
Cannot. Yeah. That's what I said, decade.
Well, I said she
Where
just
we
said
know?
2000. I'm not
2012?
arguing with you here, sir. I just said the producer just tell me
Yep.
2000.
Simone wins again.
Yeah. That Sheffield ready for cuss me up like his meeting say. See him go and Google it, I'm not agreeing, so him still. Him cantanker us to say. Big tune. Big tune.
Good morning,
Hold on,
BC.
wait, no, but we never said nothing about persistence. Wait,
Oh, sorry.
wait, stop. You have to start that back. We never said nothing about persistence.
What do you want to say about it?
You must be persistent.
Good. Next tune.
Next,
Play
ready,
your
so tell me
ball
now.
out. Should play the tune
I know it's me telling I must stop.
We don't want you want you.
Yeah, but I'm asking you what this telling us. By his
That
deeds.
tune is saying
Yeah,
there's a lot of hypocrisy in society.
all right.
And you might think that you're a big teen,
But you're not.
but if your deeds show that you are not a big teen, it don't matter how much suit and tie and whatever you're not a smaddy. If you're,
There's a reason when you talk like that, all your mouth have to make up.
Yes,
Why?
true, but because that's who we are as Jamaicans. You ever see when Dele talk it and shoot?
Yeah, but you can't just talk without going all of that. So
No.
I can't just say I don't like that person. Say that me tell
You
you
see, now I
something.
just understood how much you don't like the person.
Next one.
This was a big tune.
Oh, please, my cause, oh, Jah,
Big tune.
and let me stand firm.
Firm as the wicked rise against the eye.
I don't know who you're
Order
pointing
my
at.
steps